Hello and welcome to another video of mine. Today is Halloween, as you may have already guessed. And so, we are going to talk about some super spooky animals.
So first of all, let's start off with some spiders, since they are easy to film and because some people find them scary or just nasty. I quite like spiders, including this spider called walnut orb weaver spider. I've seen quite a couple in our garden, but they are somewhat hard to film because during the day they tend to hide away in basically any place they fit. And during the night, well, that's when they come out, but of course then it's dark and still hard to film. Yet I happened to be so lucky that one was hiding in our attic. What quite surprised me when I did some research on the internet is that they actually can penetrate the human skin and leave a painful bite. Now the next spider I actually found quite cute. It kept jumping towards my camera lens and didn't seem to be scared of me at all. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a common English name for it, so you'll have to do it with the Dutch name, which is Schorsmarpisa. The Schorsmarpisa is a rather small spider with extremely good sight capabilities. These spiders hunt for their prey by stalking them and then jumping on top of them. Ground spiders like this are spread all over the world and count over 2,000 species. Yet, none of them has been considered harmful to people yet. Now technically, the next animal isn't a spider, because its body only exists out of one segment. They are part of the family arachnids, which includes spiders, scorpions, ticks, and a bunch of other animals. This creature is commonly known as daddy longlegs. They can also be called harvestmen or hooiwagen, which is the word we use for them, and this roughly translates to hay car. A cool trick these daddy longlegs can do is when they lose their leg, because, for example, a predator tries to grab it, the leg actually can move still, even though it's amputated from the body, which forms a great distraction. The last spiders I filmed for this video are a bunch of mace spiders that built their house on the same hill. These spiders make tunnel-shaped webs on surfaces like this. They were very shy, so I often had to walk away from my camera in order for them to do something. So because I had to be away from my camera, I had no idea what I'd been filming until I later watched back the videos I've made. And when I looked back at them, I noticed that one of the spiders I filmed actually caught a little grasshopper. You can see that it's having trouble with moving, and that's because it has already been bitten and will soon be completely paralyzed. minutes later, the spider bit the grasshopper again. This could be to pump digestive enzymes into the grasshopper, because spiders can only eat liquid food. Of course, spiders aren't the only Halloweeny creatures. Black birds like ravens and crows are often linked to myths and legends about ominous things. Unfortunately, no ravens nor crows for this video, but another blackbird, which we call the cow. No, not a cow.
I
A
eat
cow.
grass. Yum.
I guess I should have used the English word, which is Western jackdaw. I think cow is a pretty good name though, because it resembles the sound they make. It looks like I have nearly reached the end of the video. One more animal left. Now what you are about to see might be very disturbing for some of the audience. So I warn you, if you have a weak stomach, please look away. Okay, maybe it's not all that scary. These little rodents are rats. So what's creepy about these? Nothing really. Well, in the period 1346 to 1351, one species of rats called black rat helped spreading the Black Plague, which took out about 75 to 100 million people on this planet. But these two guys don't really form any danger.
Well, then that was that. I hope you found it interesting and spooky.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.